So in the third and fourth stanza, students, the third stanza starts from Custard the dragon on his toes. Here in the third stanza, the physical characteristics of Custard the dragon is described. As the physical characteristic is told of Custard the dragon, it shows that Custard the dragon is very powerful, scary, and brave. He's very powerful, scary, and brave. What are his characteristics? His teeth, big sharp. He has big sharp teeth, very big sharp teeth, and he has spike on his back. Spike means thorns like things, and he has the ability to spit fire from his mouth. He can spit fire from his mouth, and his nose act as the chimney. When he spit fire from his mouth, the smoke comes out of his nose like it comes from the chimney. And his toes are painted, in color, and is so sharp that like dagger, the big knife or the dagger, it can cut anything. So in the third stanza, it has been described that the Custard dragon can spit fire, has spike on his back, big teeth, toes like daggers. He can do anything. In the fourth stanza, which starts from Belinda was brave, safe cage. Every character of Belinda's house, particularly the pet animals, are described, including Belinda. Belinda bravery is compared with many bears, barrel full of bears. Like bears, there are many bears, how brave they are, big and strong. Belinda is same like that. In the second thing is compared her small ink and blink. Her small ink is the name of the kitten, as you know. Blink is the name of the grey mouse. They are so brave that they can chase away even the lion. Even though they are small, but they can chase away even the lions away. And dog's bravery. What is the name of the dog? Mustard. That's right. Dog bravery is compared to tiger anger, like how tiger is angry and ferocious and in rage. The dog will chase away that. And finally, this Custard has everything, but he always look for a cage where he can sit quiet and just live. In spite of having that spikes, that thieves, that fire, he just like to live quiet. That's it, not to move anywhere. You got it? This is the explanation of stanza third and fourth. Next video we will cover stanza fifth and sixth. Thank you.